Alright guys, welcome back to the next part of this segment, which is going to be upper body. Now the things we're going to be needed for this is we have ourselves a chair for some incline push-ups, as well as some dips, which I will explain how to do them later. And then we have a resistance band right here. Now this is just what I have at my house. Got this from class actually, so thank you, Josh, means a lot. Anyways, how we're going to start is we're going to be doing some lat pull downs. Now to begin with, with the resistance band, the wider you go on it, the easier it's going to be performing the exercise. The closer your hands are together, the more tight, which means the better resistance, as in more weight. So we're going to find a good set part length, about right there for me. Now for the lat pull down, you're going to make sure you're going to keep it in front, pulling it down like this, making sure you're not arching your back at all. And we'll be doing 12 reps. So you don't want to be looking like this right here, because that will lead to bad form and will lead to injury as well. And you want to have a straight back like so, right in front of you. Really just flexing the lats. There we go. We're doing 12 of these. We're at 6, 7, 8, and we're going to be keeping that core nice and tight as well. 2 more. Really just squeezing up in right there. Alright, we got 12, and we're going to go going through the cycle 2 times. And then we got chest press, so you want to put this around your upper back like this. You're really going to want it either right there or even a little bit higher if you like. Depends all on you on how it feels. You're going to want a nice resistance because it's going to be a little bit easier, just because your chest is stronger than, let's say, your shoulders per se with this type of stuff. So we get a nice resistance, a little bit closer, let's say, and it's just a chest press. So you're going to be extending those arms, not hyperextending, extending them though, so you feel the squeeze. And make sure you're really squeezing that chest all the way up and then back down. I'm going to be doing this 12 times as well. Show a side angle like this. Really getting those elbows to 90 degrees right there. No need to go past, because then I'm going to lose the resistance. We're at 6 reps right now. We got 6 more to go. Good thing to do with this is also not to arch your back, keeping your core tight, as well as in an athletic position. We got 2 more. 11, 12. All right. The next thing we're going to do is some incline push-ups on this chair right here. And it depends on the chair you have. Right here it's a medium grip, I would say. So we're going to be holding it, grabbing it like this. So it's going to look like this on the chair. And you want to make sure that you have a nice, solid foundation with your feet, straight back, doing 12 reps again. Got 1, 2. And if these are going to be too hard for someone out there, we can just go to the wall like this. Same thing, just like this. But for this sake, we're going to go back to the chair and finish out our 12 reps. 8. Make sure you're going to keep those elbows stationary, otherwise you're going to eventually hurt your arms. 2 more. 11, 12. All right, and now we're going to do some triceps dips on the chair as well. For this, you're going to be wanting your legs straight. Bring this back a little bit. You're going to have your legs like this. Elbows in. Make sure your elbows are stationary, not moving around a lot. Just like this. 2, 3. And we're going to be doing 12 reps once again. And make sure your elbows aren't going like this out, because you're going to hurt your shoulders. Alright, 8 reps. 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so we got chest and triceps out of the way. Now we're going to go back to that back, do a little row. I'm going to do the side angle for you. But for this one, you're going to want to step on one side of the resistance band, preferably more in the middle for the resistance. And left foot with left arm. And for this little one single arm row, we're going to bend over, keep it straight back. You can either put your foot back for stability if you want, and you're going to go just like this. Pull it back, really flexing that lat. Once again, we're going to be doing 12 reps throughout this. We're going to be at 6 right now. Keeping a straight back in mind. Good core. Head up. You're going to keep your head down. You're eventually going to cause back problems. Arching your back. So we're going to keep that back straight. 12. Now we're going to switch arms to the right arm. Just like this. Once again, right arm with right leg. Just like so. Back straight. Get that nice resistance. There we go. Really getting that elbow back, head up. We're at 4 right now, we got 8 more. 6, 7. Make sure we're going nice and slow as well. Got myself cheating a little bit. 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, from there, we're done with that back as well. We're gonna be doing a bicep curl. For this, you're gonna be stepping on it with both feet, just like this. Gonna grab the ends of it and really pull up with those biceps. Nice and slow once again. You can either alternate, but in this case, we're gonna be doing it together, just for the sake of time. Do 12 reps once again. And we'll be turning our wrists, because otherwise we would be doing a hammer curl, which is outside of the bicep. We're at 9 reps right now. Got 3 more. 10, 11, 12. All right, next thing we got is tricep push down. For this one, it's a little bit harder to describe how to do. So you're gonna wanna grab it like this, hold it out, keep it athletic, keep it a bend in your arm, I would say. Keep your elbow stationary while you're doing this. Get a good resistance, of course. And really just flex it at the end. Keeping that elbow stationary. Got 4 reps. 5. Because if you're going like this, you're really neglecting that tricep. There's no need to be doing this right here. Got 8, 9, 10. If you want to feel it even more, hold it for the last couple of reps. You're gonna feel it, feel the burn. All right, now we're gonna switch to the right arm. Once again, take the left arm, hold it out, get that nice athletic stance with your legs, not hyperextending. Nice little pull down. My bad, push down, sorry about that. We're at 4 reps right now. Nice hold. We're at 5, 6. And we're keeping this core tight with a good posture. We're at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. And for the final exercise, we're going to be doing shoulder shrugs. And once again, you would be going through this cycle twice for the workout, but for the sake of time, we're just going to be going through it once. We've got shoulder shrugs right here. And for this one, this is going to work on your traps. Get a good resistance, I would say. Oh, that's a little too tight. We're going to squeeze those traps going up. I kind of exploded at the beginning. We're not going to be doing that. That's a different type of exercise. We're going to go nice and controlled. Really getting those rear delts as well, activating those. We're at 5 reps right now. Show you the side angle. 7, make sure we're not like this. That's terrible for your shoulder joints, but really having good posture. We're at 10 reps right now. Then we're going 11. Now we're at 12. All right. And that is really it for the upper body. Thank you for watching. We're going to be doing our next segment.